Okay, I'm going to clean the lens while it's recording. You're going to see a lot of distortion. But it's crucial because the lens is dirty and it was not focusing. It was throwing autofocus off. How many people clean their lens while recording? Not many. Looks shitty. Okay. Man, it's so blurry, I bet this looks like shit. Now I'm going to dry it off the other side. It's always good the idea to have two ends of a Q-tip, one that's wet and one that's dry. So, and surround sound only works with 1080p apparently. Guess I could upscale it to 4K if I needed to, which I haven't had a problem with doing, and not that you'd even notice. You know what I mean? That's clean. Good old eyeglass. Good old eyeglass cleaner. Does a great job. There we go. All clean now. Nice.